জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
What are you saying, Jasmine, ma'am? Ma'am is in front of you. It will be an insult to her if you don't follow the traditions and rituals.
Be seated, Jasmine. Have a few bites. You can't eat the whole day after this. And you can see how nobody spares a single opportunity to find faults. Don't you hear her say? It would be an insult to the ma'am. She's an illiterate, uncultured burger who only has a big mouth. Why give them a chance to pass comments? You better be seated and have a little. I can't eat this, Aunt Durba. I'm not going to have it. Sorry.
Whether anybody understands or not, I know very well why you don't want to eat this. It's because this food is prepared by Nayan, right? Is it below your standards, or are you feeling despised? Is it too difficult for you to consider her as a human being? There's no point in saying sorry, Jasmine. You have to eat this. If you don't take a single bite of this food, then it'll be an insult to my family's traditions and rituals. And I'm sorry, but I won't take that.
Oh Lord, why Dripto get into this? Why did Dripto get into this? What do I do now? If I don't eat this, he'll get upset. What if he refuses to get married?
Jasmine, sit down. Eat a little. Can't you see Deepu is getting angry?
Sanjukta, finish the rituals quickly. The sun will rise in some time. Listen, Dripta, come on. Let's take Dripto upstairs.
Is everything ready upstairs?
Yes, everything is ready. We just need to put them in order. When Sanjukta comes, she will feed Dripto.
All right, Deepu, let's go upstairs. Come. Sanjukta, come upstairs after feeding Jasmine, okay?
Yes. Sanjukta, you feed her first. You are the mother. You should do it first.
Sure, Mom. Come, Jasmine. Come here.
Sit down.
From now on, I'm not only Deepu's mother, but also Jasmine's mother. So let Jasmine eat first and then Deepu. Here, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Nayan is looking at me strangely. Has she really added poison to it? Or does she want to scare me? No. She can poison it. She knows that I wanted to kill Dripto. Maybe she's taking revenge. What to do? What should I do now? Have it, Jasmine.
Please eat it properly, Jasmine, ma'am. This is your last meal today.
No! What is this?
won't eat. I won't have any of it. What are you doing, Jasmine? Listen, throwing away the food of this ritual is inauspicious.
Oh my, what are you doing, Xiaomi? Why are you acting like this? There will be a lot of obstacles in the wedding. What a shame. I am just pretending to be tense, but in reality, I'm enjoying this. She caused a bad omen. It just happened. Ta-da!
Sit down,
Sit.
Deepu. Sit. I won't have it. Jasmine! Oh, Jasmine, what are you doing, Jasmine? Downstairs. Let me go and check.
Hey, Aunt, I'll come with you.
So you won't go anywhere. Stay here quietly.
But, Uncle, shouldn't I see what's happening down there? Let me go once.
There are other people to do it, Dripto. Until the ritual gets over, you can't get up from that seat. Just remain seated. Durba, you go and check.
Okay.
I'll be with him.
I'll
You
go and
stay.
check it. Don't worry. I won't eat. I'll not have a single bite now. Calm down. Jasmine, what is this all about? You're such a cool-headed girl. Why are you behaving like this? Jasmine, can you understand that your ritual got ruined? Can you? Wait, Sanjukta, wait. Don't say that, please. She is not the one to create such a scene. Something must have happened. I'm sure Nayan did something.
Nayan did nothing. I was here all along. Nayan was standing aside quietly. Jasmine was repeatedly saying that she wouldn't eat this food.
Don't talk like a fool, Mom. Does it always need to charge someone to do something? This girl is very cunning. Lord knows what game she's playing standing here. You're right, Andurba. I threw them away because of Nayan only.
Hey girl, hey! The moment Durba said it, you put the blame on Nayan. How ridiculous!
Wait, Mom. Tell me, Jasmine, what's the matter? There must be something in that curd rice. What? Yes, that's right. Otherwise, why did Nayan say that it was my last meal? That's what she said at that time. You were here. Didn't you hear that? Didn't you?
Please eat it properly, Jasmine ma'am. This is your last meal.
Yes. Right. She said that. She did. I didn't pay attention at that time, but... Hey, Nayan, speak up. What will you say now? Sanjukta, I think you have misinterpreted something. Why would Nayan do such a frivolous thing?
Really, Mom. Sometimes you become so innocent. Don't you know why Nayan would add something to the food? Because she wants that Jasmine and Deepu doesn't get married. I've been saying this all along that she's a dangerous girl. You got caught, man. There is no point in staying silent. Tell me why you said that. Explain why you said that it was Jasmine's last meal.
I did not say it.
You liar! You're lying!
You are crossing your limits day by day, Nayan. Right? I heard you say that myself, and now you are smartly denying it. You're lying.
I am not lying, ma'am. Yes, I definitely said something, but I didn't say the words that Jasmine ma'am is putting in my mouth. I didn't say that it was her last meal. I said it was her last meal of the day. She will start fasting after this ritual. So I was telling her to eat more. Did I say anything wrong?
Look, Sanjukta, didn't I tell you that you misinterpreted something?
Grandma, please. Please don't trust this girl at all. She is trying to twist the words now. She's trying to escape by juggling her words. I'm trying to tell you there's a poison in it. Aunt Durba is right. She doesn't want me and Dripto to get married. She wants to finish me off. You would have seen me dying if I had eaten this food. I would have died. Yes, I was scared then. I said I wouldn't eat because I got scared. Grandma, trust me. I'm not lying at all. Please, I was really scared, and that is why I said that I would not eat this. I didn't want to disrespect any of your family culture, values, or rituals. I only got scared, that's it. I was scared. Save me, please. Somebody please help me. Rangana, I know that you love her a lot, but would you want her to kill me just to get rid of me like this? You tell me, huh? She was about to murder me. Do you want that? Please, all of you, please do something about it, please.
Oh my, you're just standing straight with your spine, aren't you? You're trying to portray that you're confident, that you haven't committed any crime, so that nobody suspects you, right? Sanjukta, suspecting Nayan has become your habit. Try to come out of that habit. I have known Nayan before Jasmine. I know what she can and cannot do. You're totally right. Doubting Nayan in every matter has become a habit of us. So Nayan will take us out of this habit herself. She will eat the curd and flattened rice thrown by Jasmine.
That's it. Now Nayan will learn her lesson. You are absolutely right, Sanjukta. Let her eat this. Let her prove that it is not poison. Let her prove that Jasmine is scared for nothing. That's it. After that, we will not doubt Nayan anymore.
Please, Mother. Aunt Durba, don't let her eat the food that fell on the floor. Let me clean it.
Stop. You won't put a step forward. You are chanting your friend's name the whole day. We are asking her to eat it for a reason. This girl is dangerous. She's trying to get rid of Jasmine. Today she's trying to get rid of Jasmine. Tomorrow she'll try to get rid of you too if needed. So don't act smart. Nayan will have to go through this test. Didn't you hear us? Eat it. Come on, eat it right now.
How will Nayan eat the food that fell on the floor? You all are making a mistake. Why? Exactly the way I drank the milk. Don't you remember, Mom? You know, Durba, I didn't tell you. I wanted to kill Deepu by poisoning his milk. She built such a plot. And I had to drink up that milk to prove it wrong. So today she will eat this curd and rice lying on the floor. Don't waste time, Nayan. Eat it up.
Will I have to eat it, ma'am?
Why? Are you scared? Eat. Have it. You have to eat it. You will have to eat it at any cost. Come on, eat it.
What's wrong? Eat it.
Uncle, please let me go once, please.
Please, Dripto, listen to what I'm saying. You'll have to follow the rituals and rules at least today. You can't go. Just sit still.
Deepu?
You?
Yes, Vicky. It's me. Actually, Vicky, you know what? I thought a lot, Vicky. No matter how much you all insult me, my nephew wanted me to prepare the curd and flattened rice for the ritual. That's what will happen. I will prepare the curd and rice for his ritual.
Buddy, no?
And not only that, on behalf of Kalpana, I will feed it to him.
You?
I will do it on your behalf, sister. I will do it on your behalf.
Pratima actually started to prepare the food. What should I do now? No, Sanjukta has to come to stop her. Let me go.
There, you'll see. Now she'll feel dizzy and collapse. She'll froth at the mouth. You'll see. There's poison in the food. It sure has poison in it.
What? But nothing happened.
Mother, Who said nothing happened? It did. Dripto's wife performed the ritual. Chowmin, you yourself let my friend perform the ritual.